Can you share with us one of your biggest regrets, perhaps?
Married men shouldn't have.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you're young and you're 19, 20, who cares? And then it was, the feminist movement, etc., etc. But then you see the effect it has on families. But I never blame the man.
Who did you blame?
No, I mean the people blame. You always blame the woman. It's 50-50. He was also,
Yeah. Kaya kung oo nga.
hindi ba?
Ano, laging yung...
You judge the woman. Ay, naging ano yan ni ano. Sabi ko, yung lalaki, yun ang nag-pursue. The woman never pursues.
So, no?
Di ba? So, sabi ko, hindi ano yung, hindi patas.
Is that a culture?
I don't know that much, but I think the Filipino, yes, it's very strong that, again, that female star who had these lurid text messages, they never blamed the guy who uploaded or whatever.
You're right, no? Ang na-judge ng husto yung girl.
That's why I really, really am fortunate to have wonderful male friends who are in the industry.
Yeah.
The first thing that I look at is, do you disparage women? Are you malaswa when you're talking about women? The minute you do that, bye-bye.
Wow. Yeah.
That really gets my goat. That's when I go into a rampage mentally. Get out of my life. Yung mga sexist jokes.
Marami pa ba? Because I know in the 70s and 80s, wala pang ganyan eh. Di ba?
They're a bit more careful now because the consequences are very fast.
That's true.
But
Social media pa lang.
I
post ka na eh.
know.